Hey guys, we are out here doing one of our final installs this year. We got lucky and these two restaurants right beside each other, owned by the same people. This one and this building ended up signing up with us, and we're doing all four sides of both buildings. It's about 1,400 feet of lights, which is probably about 10 average size home installs that we do. So pretty big one. Beautiful place. This is right on the marsh in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. Very cool place. This is a seafood restaurant. Got a bar and kind of a bar next door with a bar type food, but very cool. Pretty shallow roof. The other one's going to be a good bit steeper, but just a lot of light, so very time consuming. We had to go get some more materials. That's kind of going along with my other video talking about competition being a good thing. You know, it's really important to have relationships with other providers in your area and everywhere really, because we didn't have enough materials, and the thing with these customers is they needed these lights installed by this weekend for a parade, and that was the condition they were going to sign up on. And if I would have had to wait to get lights shipped to me, we wouldn't have been able to get this done. But because we have good relationships with other providers and other companies, we were able to buy some materials off of another installer that lives about an hour and a half away, and they were able to help us out in a pinch so we could get this job done. It's a very big place, cool looking restaurant, lots of good smells. You can smell the seafood, and you know, nice day, beautiful day today. It's been unseasonably cold in our area, living at the beach. It's been in the 30s, 40s, 50s, which is unusual here this time of year, early December. But today is a beautiful day. It's probably 70 degrees right now, or close to it. And nice breeze, nice music in the background. But you can see here, the good thing about these commercial lights is we can customize everything. So you can see here they wanted alternating red and white, and we did it, you know, 4 red, 4 white. It's going to give that peppermint look, which looks really good. It's a real popular color choice. But if you're ever down in Murrells Inlet, you might try out the Claw House here. Good place, but just a monster of a building. You'd have to see it up close, but it's amazing how big this building is. All right, that's it. We'll add some pictures of what this looks like in the evening, along with the other restaurant. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. It's going to look really good.